Welcome back to our online course creator series. Today, we are diving into a critical aspect of course development, identifying your target audience. Understanding who your course is designed for is essential for creating content that resonates and delivers value. In this episode, we'll explore the significance of creating buyer personas when identifying the target audience for an online course. Significance of buyer personas. When it comes to understanding the diverse needs, preferences, and challenges of your potential students, buyer personas are your guiding light. These fictional representations of your ideal customers are based on real data and insights, providing invaluable guidance for course creators. Let's delve into why creating buyer personas is so significant. Stay tuned as we explore each point. 1. Understanding needs and goals. Buyer personas provide a comprehensive understanding of the diverse needs and goals of the target audience. By identifying key demographics, preferences, and pain points associated with each persona, course creators gain insights into the specific challenges learners face and the objectives they aim to achieve through the course. This understanding allows creators to tailor course content, resources, and activities to address these unique needs effectively, ensuring that the course resonates with the audience and delivers tangible value. 2. Personalization. Buyer personas enable course creators to personalize the learning experience for different segments of their audience. By crafting content and learning pathways that align with the preferences, learning styles, and interests of each persona, creators can enhance engagement and satisfaction among learners. Personalization fosters a deeper connection between learners and the course material, increasing motivation, retention, and overall learning outcomes. By catering to the individual needs and preferences of each persona, creators can create a more impactful and memorable learning experience that drives meaningful results. 3. Targeted marketing. Buyer personas inform targeted marketing strategies that reach the right audience with the right message. By understanding the demographics, behaviors, and preferences of each persona, course creators can develop tailored marketing campaigns that resonate with their audience. This targeted approach increases the effectiveness of marketing efforts, leading to higher conversion rates and enrollment numbers. By delivering relevant and compelling messages to each persona, creators can attract qualified leads, nurture relationships, and ultimately drive enrollment and revenue for their online courses. 4. Course design and development. Buyer personas guide course design and development by providing insights into the topics, formats, and delivery methods that resonate with the target audience. Creators can prioritize content that aligns with the interests, preferences, and learning needs of each persona, ensuring that the course meets the expectations and preferences of their audience. This informed approach to course design increases engagement, satisfaction, and retention among learners, leading to better learning outcomes. By catering to the specific needs and preferences of each persona, creators can create a more compelling and relevant learning experience that drives success for both learners and course creators alike. 5. Improving user experience. Buyer personas help course creators design user-friendly experiences that cater to the preferences and behaviors of their audience. By understanding the devices, platforms, and learning environments favored by each persona, creators can optimize the user experience to enhance engagement and satisfaction. This user-centered approach ensures that learners can easily navigate the course content, access resources, and participate in activities, leading to a more seamless and enjoyable learning experience. By prioritizing usability and accessibility, creators can create a positive impression on learners, fostering loyalty and repeat engagement with their courses. 6. Building empathy. Creating buyer personas fosters empathy and understanding for the target audience. By putting themselves in the shoes of their personas, course creators can empathize with their challenges, frustrations, and aspirations, leading to more empathetic and user-centered course design. This empathetic approach ensures that course content and activities resonate with learners on a deeper level, fostering a sense of connection and rapport between creators and their audience. By prioritizing empathy and understanding, creators can create a supportive and inclusive learning environment where learners feel valued, respected, and empowered to succeed. 7. Identifying opportunities. Buyer personas help course creators identify opportunities for innovation and growth. By analyzing the gaps and unmet needs of their personas, creators can uncover opportunities to develop new courses or improve existing ones, positioning themselves as leaders in their niche. This strategic approach to course development ensures that creators stay ahead of market trends, meet evolving learner needs, and capitalize on emerging opportunities. By leveraging insights from buyer personas, creators can innovate and iterate on their course offerings, staying competitive in a rapidly changing landscape. This proactive approach to identifying opportunities ensures that creators can continue to deliver value and drive success for their learners and their business. 8. Measuring success. Buyer personas provide a framework for measuring the success of the course. By aligning key performance indicators, KPIs, with the goals and objectives of each persona, creators can track progress and evaluate the effectiveness of their course in meeting the needs of their audience. This data-driven approach to measurement ensures that creators can make informed decisions about course optimization, resource allocation, and marketing strategies. By monitoring KPIs related to each persona, creators can identify areas for improvement, address potential issues, and capitalize on strengths. This iterative approach to measurement ensures that creators can continuously optimize their courses to deliver maximum value and impact for their audience. In summary, creating buyer personas is essential for course creators to understand their target audience, personalize the learning experience, develop targeted marketing strategies, optimize course design and development, improve user experience, foster empathy, identify opportunities, and measure success. By leveraging buyer personas, course creators can create courses that resonate with their audience, drive engagement, and deliver tangible value. By creating buyer personas, course creators gain valuable insights into their target audience, allowing them to create courses that truly resonate and deliver value. Subscribe now for more expert insights. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on creating successful online courses.